Hey, what's going on, guys? Danny here with you. In this video, I'm going to go over the latest analysis for Shiba Inu, as well as look at some different levels. And as always, this video is for educational purpose only. I am not a financial advisor. All right, so happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Hope everybody is doing well today. In the comment section, feel free to comment below what you are most thankful for. For me is God, my family, friends, and I am definitely looking forward to the meal that we are all having together later. All right, so let's go over to our price chart and see how we are looking. So currently we are right around the 40.15 area. We are currently consolidating sideways, which is a good sign to see. And yesterday's video, we did go over different targets below if we did happen to continue to the downside. So we did have this major level support right here. We did get a bounce off of that right around the 35.96 area right there. And if we did happen to go a little bit lower, we did have our next major level support right here, and this is the pink channel right there. Thankfully, we did not come all the way down to that right now, and hopefully we won't, but we'll have to see how it does play out. And we were also talking about, on yesterday's video, is pure speculation at the time, but we did talk about how we could potentially be forming a reverse head and shoulders pattern. So right here was our shoulder, right here was a head, and right here was the other shoulder. And we did need to break that neckline in order for it to play out. And as you see right here, we did break through the neckline and did come up and perfectly meet our target up here. We are currently coming back down for almost a little bit of a retest and consolidating sideways. So that still is a good bullish sign. So right here, this pattern right here should act as a bullish reversal, and hopefully we should head to the upside. Right now, as you see, we are currently consolidating sideways, which is a good sign compared to the last couple of days where, as you see right here, we have been in a pretty much a continual downtrend. So we are going sideways right now, which is, again, that's a good bullish sign to see. All right, but of course we did have a new local low right here, so we can actually redraw our Fibonacci. So I'm going to delete our old Fibonacci out. All right, I'm actually switch over to our hourly chart. All right, so over here on our hourly, I'm going to go from our swing high that we had down to our swing low, pull out our Fibonacci retracement tool. So right around here, and bring the 0 level all the way down to our low that we had yesterday. All right, so right around there. Might have to readjust this a little bit, but let's see. All right, drag this back up a little bit. All right, so somewhere around there. All right, so currently, again, we are right around the, actually, we have come back, we are resting right around the 0.236 on our Fibonacci. All right, and the next levels we could be looking for if we do continue to the bullish side. So again, we are resting right now on our 0.236, is around the 39.94, 39.97 level. Next level after that would be the 0.38. That is up here, right around the 42, right around the 42.11 area. Then we have our 0.5 Fibonacci, which is right now around the 43.99. And then our 0.618, which is our golden Fibonacci, which is generally where we do go up to or retrace to. That is right around the 45.95 area, so somewhere around there. And if we do happen to continue to the upside, of course, our golden Fibonacci would be right there, which does line up pretty well with our diagonal line right there, resistance line. And of course, short term, I did draw out a little bit of a dotted line right here. We did create a little bit of a trend line right here. I do want to see us get back above that. When we get back above that, that would be bullish, and we could come back down for a retest. And also the another option we do have, if we do break below this level right here, we could come back down and potentially retest this diagonal trend line that goes all the way up here. All right, so that's just a short term. Again, if we do happen to break bearish for some reason, hopefully that does not happen, but we could be looking for areas down here. So again, we could come back down all the way for a retest down here. That is our 0 level. That is right around the 35.93 level. Could come back down and get a double bottom. I don't think we'll be coming back down here, but just in case, that's the level to look for. And of course, the 0.27, that does line up pretty well with this area right here that that I did talk about yesterday. That is around our 32.18 area. So that is our next level, major level support. I do think if we did come all the way back down here, we have a lot of buyers in the market that would buy it up pretty quickly, and we'd see us hopefully bounce right back off pretty quickly. I don't think we'll come back down here because we are currently trending sideways. We'll have to see how it does play out. But again, this would be our next major level to look at down here. And we also did have this another major level, which would be a double bottom if we could consolidate and then bounce off. But let's go over here to our RSIs and see how we're looking. I do want to point out one more thing really quick on our hourly chart. So of course we are continuing to consolidate in this pattern right here. There's almost a little bit of a pennant pattern right here that we have going on, because we did get a bounce right here. So that more or less showed that we are continuing this trend line. So as you see right here, we are continuing to consolidate tighter and tighter into this pennant pattern. And then, of course, we do need to break above this major trend line right here, this major level of resistance, and then break above that. And that would be a good bullish sign when we do get above that. Of course, it looks like we do have a couple more days of this if we do continue within this pattern right there. All right, let's head over to our RSIs and see how we are looking. We go over to our 15-minute chart. All right, drag this out a little bit more. All right, so currently on a 15-minute chart, our RSI is right around the 55 area. Stochastic did come all the way back up, and looks like right now we are getting, of course, we are overbought territory, so we're probably coming back down for a retest down here. And that could put us somewhere down this, right around this yellow level that we had, our major level support, which is right around the 39.33 if we do come back down there. All right, and over here on our hourly chart, RSI is currently sitting right around the 51. And we did talk about yesterday how we were forming a possible trend line that we would be bouncing back and forth in. And you see that, as you see, that is playing out right now, which is awesome to see. We did not break through here, so that was good. And hopefully we will continue to bounce off of here throughout, and then hopefully come up here, make some new highs, and then hopefully get around our 0.618 area right on our trend line up there. Our RSI, stochastic RSI, is coming back up. You can see we did get a bounce right here, so hopefully we could potentially follow this trend line as well and continue to bounce to the upside. All right, over here on our 4-hourly chart. All right, 4-hourly, we are right around, we do have this major line of support right there, or resistance and support. Right now it is actually acting as a resistance line, so we do need to get back above this. Our stochastic is come all the way up to our right around the 75 area. We do have a little bit of a hook to the downside, so we could be seeing some short-term downside action. And over here on our daily chart, let me drag this out a little bit more. All right, so over here on our daily, we are currently around, let me delete this out. We're currently trying to get right above, we do have this resistance line right there that we were talking about, how we did break through it. We're currently trying to get back above it. So our RSI is right around the 41 area. The daily excuse me, can't talk. The daily stochastic has consolidated sideways. We did get this little bounce right here where we saw this breakout, came back down, and now we do have a little bit of a hook right here. So hopefully over the next couple of days, we will start continuing to consolidate sideways. And then when we get up here, hopefully we can get a higher high, and then hopefully that might show us that we are in our next bull run. Of course, this might be a couple of days away before we see the price action for that. Let's head back over here to our 15-minute chart. All right, so again, let me delete some of this out. Looks like we are trying to get above this dotted line right here. We potentially get above it. If not, we'll probably get a rejection off of here. Of course, if we can't get above it, we will probably reject off of here and then head back to the downside. This could be another next target right here that we could be looking for. This is our major level of support. We did flip it from resistance to support now, so hopefully we should hang around here the next couple hours, or the next couple minutes to hours, and then consolidate and hopefully bounce up. And again, our next level that I do want to look for is up here at a 0.618. That would line up really well with our resistance line right there, and we'll have to eventually get back above that. I'm not sure if we'll have enough steam by the time we get up there to break through it, or get rejected and come back down somewhere in this area, and then hopefully get consolidate and head back up again. But we'll see how that does play out. Right now, it looks like we are looking very bullish, so that's a good sign. We did get a bounce right here off of our level of support, and then also did break back above this major level support. So hopefully we can stay above this, and we'll see how it does play out. But as of right now, it looks like we are looking pretty bullish. But I'll see you guys in the next video, and hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving and enjoy the time with family and all the good food. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And make sure again that you do like and subscribe to this video in our channel. And also follow me over on Twitter when I do make some tweets over there. That is at @OnlyCryptoCycle. And I appreciate each and every subscriber that we have, each and every person that we have here. You guys mean a lot to me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And thanks. Take care.